Welcome back. 57.04 on the Nifty, so that's not moved too much in a very narrow 10-point trading range for the last half an hour or so. It's been a very quiet start to trade this morning. A few stocks are moving here and there. Lots of result reactions are kicking in, so let's get talking to a couple of mid-cap stocks which have announced results. First, DB Corp. Girish Agarwal from DB Corp has joined me. Girish, good morning. Before I ask you about the quarter gone by, there seems to have been a change in sentiment in the ad market over the last 1 month. Have you witnessed that in your newspaper as well?
Yeah, it's a positive. But again, you know what happened this time? The season has shifted to the third quarter because the Navratra, which last year started in September, this year is in October. So there's been a slight shift, but overall there has been a positive movement, certainly yes. September was a very decent month.
Was that largely on account of getting close to festive demand, or do you think some of the moves that you've been hearing, reading about, I mean, those have sort of, and the way the markets have moved, some of that has also rubbed off?
It's, I think, kind of a mix, because there is obviously a sentiment towards the festivities, and also there is suddenly a hope that government is going to do something for the overall benefit of the economy. So I think with that hope also things are improving.
Which are the sluggish sectors where you've seen some signs of life in September?
Real estate bounced back pretty well. FMCG also did a decent job. And surprisingly, the banking and financial sector also, saw a bit of upsurge. So I think that's an indication that things are really, because banking is not motivated by the festivity. It's a normal sector. But in that last month it was up. So it looks like that there is some hope in the overall thing going forward.
Are you seeing this pick up across markets or only in a few markets, particularly in the north?
No, I think the pickup is across all markets. Few markets are much more sharper, like Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Punjab, and Gujarat especially has seen a much higher number growth than compared to Haryana or Jharkhand.
Do you think in a sense it's fair to start talking about a recovery in the advertising cycle, because you've had 3-4 quarters or more of pedestrian advertising growth? Do you think that's about to change now?
True. Yeah, it looks like, because if I see last almost 12 months, in between the number were almost negative, flat. Then like this quarter we have a 3% growth. And if I see a particular month in the last quarter, September, the number has been pretty good for the initial almost 20 days. Then because of the Shraddh Paksh, the number went down. But overall it looks better. In fact, what we are seeing in the month of October also, it's a very encouraging number.
The revival in real estate must be quite encouraging for you, because that often provides the delta and a kicker between quarters. Yes,
it does, because especially in the retail market, the real estate accounts for almost 18% of our overall business. So that's pretty large number as a category by itself. And if that number is going up, it's a clear sign of revival, because that also impacts a large decision by the consumer, because it is not a FMCG or a TV or washing machine where you're spending couple of thousands. Here you're talking about spending a few million Indian rupees, in those markets also. So if somebody is spending 50-70 lakh rupees on buying a flat, then he must have really thought through well and have enough confidence in the system and think that yes, things are looking better for me.
How are your relatively new additions doing? Can you give us an update on that?
Maharashtra, we have completed our 5 addition launches, and the numbers are pretty good as per our expectation. In spite of the slowdown, we are as per the timeline or the number what we had internally worked upon. So which indicates that if the market was not that bad, then we would have really exceeded our expectation in Maharashtra. So that way things are okay, and we hope that next year should be much better in Maharashtra.
Good luck then. Thanks very much, Girish, for joining in. That's DB Corp saying the advertising market is improving. They could see discernible signs of a pickup in the month of September. Moving now to Talwalkar's Fitness, which also